Hello, and welcome to Career School, your first 30 days and beyond. I'm Yahima, the Y of the Y variable, and I am so happy to see you here. You may be wondering why I started the Y variable and created this course more specifically. Well, I remember very well what it was like to make that transition from university to the working world and feeling that sense of uncertainty and apprehension, wondering whether I was making the right decisions and whether I would be successful. I've been where you are. I've been in your shoes. I recall feeling overwhelmed and anxious about the path ahead. That might surprise some people who likely thought that my road would be paved with gold. I was fortunate to have family, friends, and teachers who encouraged and believed in me. I excelled in school. I graduated in the top 10% of my undergraduate class and went to Oxford as a Rhodes Scholar. But despite all of that, I had so many questions and I had limited professional networks, or at least didn't quite know how to utilize the networks that were around me. My own family had immigrated as political refugees. And as in so many immigrant families, my parents drummed the importance of education into me and my siblings. Pursuing our education was going to be our route to success. But over time, I've come to see that where you went to school, and sometimes even what you studied, is less critical to your career success. Ultimately, it's the skills you bring to the table, your ability to connect effectively and naturally with colleagues and individuals with influence that will open up the doors for you. As a leader, as a manager, and as someone who has supervised and hired individuals from university along the career spectrum, I'm well attuned to what's needed in the workplace, the gaps that people have, and the abilities and soft skills that need to be developed to succeed in the workplace. I've had opportunities to speak to students at various institutions about my own career. I've mentored formally and informally university and college students and have seen the sometimes overwhelming feelings of anxiety that many of them have about transitioning from the classroom to the boardroom. I created the Y variable and Career School more specifically because it's the kind of framework I wish had existed when I made the transition from university to the workplace. My aim is to help those of you who are taking that leap from higher education to land with clarity, to have a meaningful impact, excel with ease, and impress the decision makers in your workplace. I'm helping you to bridge that gap between your student and working life. I'm telling you all the things they don't teach you in school about being a worker. With this knowledge, you'll enter the workplace with a leg up on the competition. Career School will build up the soft skills and your confidence to tackle what you'll face in the workplace. This kind of career mentorship, support, and strategy is often reserved for corporate leaders and executives. But why? You're as deserving as any person who already has corporate experience and exposure. I've moved into this space as a career strategist because I know it's not easy to build connections and find the people who'll be in your corner. I know some of you are navigating this world on your own, or you feel alone or insecure. Some of you have faced major societal challenges these last few years, which may have limited opportunities older generations took for granted. I may not know you personally, but I do care about you. I love to mentor and guide. I love to see people succeed. I love to see people striving to reach their full potential. This training is about how to prepare yourself for your new life ahead or make your current experience even better. It's a mindset shift to get you into that working world mode. Is the workplace different from school? Yes, absolutely. But you learn how to tackle your studies in higher education. This is just a new thing for you to learn. And I know that over time, you'll get more and more confident, and you'll be better able to claim your unique position in the workplace. I hope you're ready to get started. Listen closely, pause when you need to, take notes, and let's plot your next steps to career success.